Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be reviewing some of you guys' subscriber outfits in this video. Now, I've done this series for a while and I decided I'm back another episode, and I promise I'm going to bring y'all more of these. I know I say that each time, but I'm actually going to try and consistently keep up with the series I said of starting, such as What's Up, have another episode of that coming soon, and also well, this series I've been doing for almost, I think for a while now, almost like 8 months or something. I think so, how long I've been doing this. But I'm back with another one, so if you guys ever want to submit some outfits, just go down in the description, follow me on Instagram, y'all can submit it there. It's that simple. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight in this video. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Like the video if you can too, I'd appreciate that. And yeah, let's get started. But the first outfit, this one I personally thought was fire, is this one on the screen right here. Now, basically, this guy's been hitting me up. He's been in a couple of these videos before, and yeah, this one is pretty fire. Basically, he's got the recent North Face collaboration. Remember this one? This is a fire jacket, and I was a huge fan of actually this colorway in it. And then also, I believe he's wearing another, he's wearing another North Face hoodie under it from the same year. So Fall Winter 18, 2 pieces right there. And then he also has some pretty fire Jordans on. I'm not exactly sure which ones they are, but they do say wear me on them. So I'm glad he's actually wearing his shoes like they're supposed to be worn. But you know, I'm not great with shoes, so I don't really know all the names, but in terms of like the background, the photo quality, all that, this photo is easily like a 10, not a 10, I was about to say that, like a 9 out of 10. It's very solid. The outfit's actually pretty fire. It all matches together. It's black, white, and then there's a clear theme of North Face, which is really cool. But yeah, this fit gets a 9 out of 10 for me. Or probably, honestly, it may deserve a 10 out of 10. We'll see, we'll see. I'll think about it. I'll pin a comment on it or something down below. I'll decide, maybe in the description, I'll decide. But yeah, this is right now it's a 9 out of 10 because 10 out of 10s are like extremely like crazy, but this fit goes hard. It goes really hard, I'd say. I mean, it's fine. Next up though, we got this outfit. Now, I thought this was a cool concept because, I mean, some people say it's corny. I don't think it's corny. I think it's cool. He's got the Cat in the Hat book there, wearing the Supreme Cat in the Hat collaboration, and then he's got the Yeezys on too. So basically, it's a Hypebeast outfit certified there. When you got the Yeezys and Supreme together, it becomes Hypebeast then, and that is when it is Hypebeast. Where I feel like wearing Supreme alone isn't exactly Hypebeast unless it's a hyped item. So, I mean, you can consider what it's a hyped item or not. But yeah, this fit's actually pretty solid. It matches fairly nice. It's not a big deal because black and white go fire together. And honestly, I like the concept too. It's cool. And, you know, his styles are pretty decent. So I'm going to give this one an 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty fire. And also, not to mention, they actually put some effort behind it because the photo quality isn't bad. And the concept just, not a lot of people take the effort and time, I feel like, to actually get the book. Like dig it out of their closet that's in like their mom's, I'm trying to say something funny, but I just can't think of it. But yeah, he actually put a lot of effort into it, and it's cool. So 8.5 out of 10, pretty nice. Next up though, we got this outfit. Now this one ain't half bad, you know. I see the kid here, man, he's stunting low key. You see him there. Got the Adidas on, he's got the pants on, and then he got the hoodie on. In terms of that, you know, you got the navy and black together. You know, that isn't like an amazing combo, but hey, I wear navy and black together all the time. I guess it just depends how, like, what shade, navy or black. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you know, it just depends on like how vibrant or like bright they are, so you can actually tell. But in terms of this, you know, it's a chill fit. And that's it. You know, I'm not really gonna go too hard on them. Yeah, the photo quality is alright. It's not bad. Yeah, you know, it's probably like a 4 out of 10 though. It's like 3, 4 out of 10 because, you know, it's not necessarily a hypebeast outfit, but it's not a big deal here. If your fit's fire, it doesn't need to exactly be hypebeast to be in the series. You know, you can have a good fit, but it doesn't need to like have Supreme on it because it can be hard to explain. I'm not gonna try to. But next up though, we got this fit right here. Now I remember this man's last fit. I wasn't a huge fan of it. You know, he's wearing like some skinny jeans or something. It wasn't like, it's just the only reason I remember is because I just looked at the DM where he actually sent me the photo. But yeah, I remember his last fit. I remember rating it, I think the last episode I did this. It wasn't that great, but this one's a huge step up, I'd say, because not to mention he's got the Nike shoulder bag on. And you know, I'm not a huge fan of the shoulder bag trend. I do own one, but I don't really use it, so it's sort of a waste. I'm a bit upset about that, but you know, we got the Nike bag there, and the thing is that he matches it with some Nike shoes too, and that's a fire concept there. If y'all know what a concept is, well, here's my definition of a concept on my channel, right? It's when, you know, 2 pieces, they don't necessarily have to be from the same brand, but you put it on that sort of level. It's cool, maybe same colorway sort of thing. That's a concept, all right? It's sort of basic if y'all get what I mean. He's got the Anti-Social Social Club shirt on right there, and he's got the Nike hat too. So he's got 3 Nike pieces on, and not to mention the colorways go pretty nice together. So I'm gonna give this one 7.5 out of 10. It's, you know, the background could be a bit better, and usually I don't like to rate in background, but I am going to a bit here. But in terms of actual outfit itself, it's not bad. It's not half bad itself. I mean, it's a pretty big improvement. Nice job, my guy. And I'm just gonna put this PSA announcement here. I'm not a styling expert either, all right? I've put together some pretty trash outfits. Not all my outfits are great, and usually what I wear on a normal day isn't great either. I'm just saying, you know, this is my standpoint, my rating. I'm not speaking as if I'm an expert in all of this, because I'm just not. Let's face it, I'm not like, I mean, no, I'm not an expert on this. I'm just doing it for fun because y'all send me some fits and here are my ratings on them. Next up though, we got this outfit right here. Now this one is an interesting one right here. I'm not exactly sure what the name of the tee is. He did send it to me, but I'm not gonna go look back at the DM. I do know that he has Air Forces on right there and some Supreme Desert Camo pants, I believe. And he's also got some sort of chain with a pendant on there. So looking at that, you know, interesting outfit, interesting background. But hey, you know, we don't usually judge off background, so I'm not going to do that here. I did in the last one, but not here. Sorry. But yeah, this one, I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10 just because I'm not seeing a lot of like, it doesn't, how do I explain it? The colorways are a lot different on this one. All the colors are just different. They don't look alike. They're just a bit off, I'd say. I mean, it's not like terrible. Again, I'm not really gonna tell you that straight up either because I don't wanna be like rude or offend anyone. But yeah, this isn't like terrible. It's just not like great or good. I mean, just flat. Mediocre. Next up though, we got this photo right here. It isn't the best quality, but he did tell me that. He said, yo, the photo quality isn't the best, so I'll tell you what the items are. And I did sort of go and read these ones. So I'm not sure what the jacket is. I didn't read that, but it does actually, I think it's a Gucci jacket because I see sort of a Gucci logo on the side of it. So maybe it's a Gucci puffer. That's sort of nice. And he's got Burberry pants on and Jordan Cement 3. So altogether, he's got a pretty expensive outfit on, I'd say, from what I can tell. Again, background's sort of cool, you know, just maybe the quality could be a bit better next time. But again, we're not going to judge off that this time. But altogether, you know, the fit is decent. I mean, the matching isn't like great. I mean, again, unlike the photo quality, like what I'm looking at, it doesn't look that great. So like, you know, I can't really tell you, but I'm gonna give this one like a 6.5 out of 10 because the pieces are fire, a lot of good pieces. I just can't tell like how well they go together. So I mean, I'm just gonna say they go sort of decent together, not like great though. Next up though, I'm pretty sure I got something in my hand, I couldn't tell, but basically I'm pretty sure this one was a joke. I think that's what I was told, but here it is. So this man's wearing a full Hysteric Glamour set, and then this man's wearing this full Supreme Butterfly set, so hoodie and pants. There's a random cat in the background on this driveway, and yeah, just sort of an interesting photo. So I'm not gonna say too much. I'm just gonna give it a rating and leave this here for y'all because this is interesting. So this is going to get 6 out of 10. Sort of funny. Yeah. Next up though, it's this fit. I didn't have a problem with it. Because, you know, it was all navy, you know, all that. The shoes are all right, you know, there wasn't a problem with it. Actually, what kind of shoes is it? I can't tell what shoes they are. I didn't have a problem with it until I saw socks. Here's a tip, but don't tuck your sweatpants into your socks. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't want to see any of y'all doing it. Don't do it. Don't tuck your sweatpants into your socks. It just, it looks good sometimes, but on this, it just doesn't. So don't tuck your sweatpants into your socks. I mean, hey, if that's your style and that's your thing, keep doing it. No judge. But I'm gonna give this fit like a 5 out of 10. It's just sort of, you know, just average, like some of them I've been rating. So yeah, you know, this fits, it was cool until the socks. Just, it sort of grinds my gears when I see it, but if it looks fine, then it doesn't. Just don't tuck your socks or your sweatpants into your socks. There you go. Next up though, we got this fit. I was actually a pretty big fan of this one when I saw it. Just sort of mashed all my words together in that sentence right there for no reason. I'm not sure why, and I'm sort of upset about it. But basically, this fit's actually pretty nice. You know, he's got the Off-White Jordan 1s. Pretty expensive sneaker, I rate that. We've actually had a good bit of Off-White Jordan 1s on this series, not to mention, so that's another fact. But looking at this, you know, the way he actually styles the fit, I think it's cool. My only problem with it was the colors maybe could have been a bit different, like the tee could have been a different color. I have no problem with the jeans. They go fine with the Off-White. Actually, I think they personally look better with Off-White's jeans and Off-White's. Nice job. And you know, this colorway of the jeans too just goes pretty nice, I'd say. Denim, whatever you want to call it. I know some of y'all are specific about that kind of stuff, and I understand. But going off of that, this fit actually isn't bad. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. Because it fits my sort of taste like a bit, because I don't know, just the fit looks fine. I mean, it's not like, there's nothing necessarily really wrong with it. And you know, I just would change the color like of the tee a bit, but other than that, you know, the photo quality's fine, and you know, it gets a 7.5 out of 10. Maybe an 8. We'll just say 7.5 out of 10 to 8, because I can't decide. I was sent this fit too. This one is not, like, the shirt is good and the shorts are good. I vibe with the Off-White shorts. I mess with Off-White shorts. Those are nice. Those go hard. And not to mention the Supreme Motion logo tee. That's a cool one. I rate it. The only problem I have with this is not the Fear of God Vans. I think those are Fear of God Vans. I can't tell. They sort of look like cheetah print Vans, or just cheetah print shoes. I can't tell. Look, from the photo, I can't tell you anything. My only issue I have here is that your socks are pulled up too high. If that's your style, then that's fine. You can call it that. I don't care. But yeah, your socks are just pulled up a bit too high. But other than that, you know, it seems like a cool sort of summer fit, maybe. Springtime, summertime, whatever you want to call it. That's what I would just say. So, you know, I'm gonna give this fit, I'm gonna say 6.5 out of 10, just because the socks. I mean, that's really it. And you know, I mean, the quality isn't amazing, but hey, you know, I'm not gonna try and judge off that all the time. So just 6.5 out of 10. I messed with it until the socks, and you know, the shoes do throw it off a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. That's from what I can tell. Again, I'm not an expert in this. Some of my fits are just hazardous. And finally, this could be arguably the best fit here in this video, or it could be second. I'm deciding between the first one and this one on which one's best, but this fit's pretty fire. Not to mention, here it is. He has the Supreme box logo on. He's got like some sort of like fur sort of jacket on. It's not like fur. I don't know what the name of that material is. He's got the Playboy pants on, and he's got the Yeezys on. That's fire. That combo's fire. And see, he cuffed the pants a bit, and that looks fine there. That's acceptable. I vibe with it. The quality's solid, and I didn't tell this to him, but if you see this, I just want to let you know you look like Phase Adapt, and that is not a bad thing. But I'm just saying you look like a bit like Phase Adapt in this photo. That from what I can tell, you know, haircut sort of thing like that, I do see it a bit. Just tell me if I'm wrong. I mean, tell me if I'm tripping or not. I don't think I am, because I sort of see it. But this fit's fire, it goes hard, the background is nice, the quality's just again, another great quality photo. I'm really happy with that. And you know, the choice of like, you know, where you decide to take it. So I guess the background's good. But looking at this, I'm gonna give this fit a 9 out of 10. It's solid. Nothing really throws me off too much on it. Again, it's really good because I messed with like the Playboy pants too. That's fire. And, you know, Supreme and Playboy have collaborated. The box logo there, just it goes pretty solid together. So highest rating we had in this one was a 9.5 out of 10. I'm giving this one, we'll just say 9.25. We'll make it, you decide. All right. I'm taking every photo down this right now, so now it's just me that you see. But I want you all to let me know if this fits better, the first one, or if this fits better. Which one of these fits is better? I'll let you all decide. Go comment down below, 1 or 2, which fit is better. And yeah, that'll determine who sort of won this, I guess, outfit battle, whatever. But anyways, I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you all did, do not forget you all can subscribe below if you're new, if you want to, and you can also drop a like in this video. I'd appreciate it all. Again, that's not like required. I'm not telling y'all you have to, but I appreciate it. If you want more videos like this, let me know. And that's really it. I mean, this video is fun to make, so if you all want more, let me know. I'm gonna keep with the upload streak. I do have exams coming soon, so my schedule may slow slightly over that time because I got exams to study for. I care about my grades. And yeah, that's it. Nothing really else to say. Just trying to say something cool, sort of like a pun or something, you know, it'd be funny. Just don't have any, but yeah, peace out.